Hi everyone, Bunte again, back with another message. God said, instead of the coven making it rain, all they can feel is all my pain. That part. This could be childhood pain that someone swapped with me for, or my lifetime world of pain, starting from childhood. Congratulations, Coven. Now y'all can experience some time in my shoes. These people from my past. Everything is being balanced out for the things that they done to me in the past. The Coven, the community are all going to jail. Yes, indeed. The Coven can see I'm standing in my power. And with confidence and moving forward away from these people. Complete cycle from this coven. A sneak illusion failed. Because I'm receiving justice for this. This coven tried to block my love life and failed. I heard somebody say, I can't believe I did this. They know it's coming back. I chose to continue on God's plan for my highest good. I'm not backing down from my own life destiny. Period. Judgment.